we have a very special guest who hasn't woken up yet. But I am so happy to introduce to you Mr. Russell Hurd. Mr. Hurd is the co-founder of the Heather Hurd Foundation, and he is going to help wake up our very special guest. So what I need you all to do is to talk to Mr. Hurd when he asks you a question, and then listen to our special guest, okay? Can I get a quiet okay? Okay. Thank you.
Well, I am so excited to be here with you guys this morning to talk about safety. Safety in your cars and safety when you're riding your bikes. Very excited to be here. But you know who else is even a bigger advocate of safety? It's my dear friend Otto. He's sleeping right now. So we need to wake him up. So Otto. Good morning, Otto.
Oh my word, was I sleeping?
You were. Look at all these wonderful boys and girls here this morning.
Whoa, that's a lot of people, and they're all staring at you, Mr. Russell.